see him. I see. He's coming.
Oh! Oh no!
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?
Oh shit.
Why me?
That's now I know not to go that
Why
way.
me? Why me? Oh my god. No, I'm sorry. Okay, chill. Did you escape? Okay,
I almost got cornered.
Where's Maddie?
I almost got cornered. He's right there.
Okay.
He made it out alive.
Oh my. Well, this is straight out of a backrooms level.
I know. And the entity is a fucking Darius. Oh shit!
Why me? He failed horribly.
Surely he won't find his way back up here in like 3 seconds, right?
Uh-oh.
Sure.
Oh, go. I can't go.
Oh.
I don't see. Oh shit!
Why me?
Why me?
Where is he?
Chasing. Chasing.
I got-
What's up?
You want to hear Chinese camera?
Sure.
You want to hear Chinese camera?
Sure. Am I safe from his wrath? I'm free! Oh shit, never mind!